Reporting live from Atlanta, Georgia, this is your boy, Made by Chubb.
Who?
Made by Chubb. On today's video, I'm going to show you the magic of sublimation.
The magic of sublimation.
We're going to be making a t-shirt using the sublimation process. Sublimation, you may ask.
What is sublimation?
Sublimation is a process where the heat turns the ink into a gas and it goes directly into the shirt. We're going to be using the traditional sublimation way, which is using a 100% polyester shirt. There's a rule that you cannot use 100% cotton shirts, but we have a trick for that I will show you in another video. All right, so this is the design that we're going to use. First things first, we need to mirror the design. You want to always make sure you mirror the design when doing a sublimation t-shirt. Now we're going to print this thing. Alright, this is the printer that we're going to be using. It is a Epson 7210 that I modified into a sublimation printer. These printers are easy to modify into sublimation printers. We will do a video on that on a later date. Today we will be using Cosmos ink, which is another company here in Atlanta. They have awesome ink. Let's get started. First things first, we need to set the press to at least 390 to 400 degrees. I like to use 390 because I really don't like to burn my shirts. Sublimation ink has to be set around 400 degrees for 60 seconds for the process to work. All right, we're gonna load the shirt on here. Give it a little pre-press to get all the wrinkles out and all the moisture. Just for a few seconds. All right. This is the design that we're going to be using. Center this bad boy. And with this paper right here, it likes to seep through. So I like to use another cover piece of paper to put on top. All right, I'm gonna also use this Teflon sheet to place on top. Now we're gonna let it go for 60 seconds. There we have it, sublimation. All right, so here we have it, a finished sublimation shirt. Looks so good. It's all in the fabric. Stay tuned for part 2 where I show you how this looks on a 50-50 shirt. A 50-50 shirt is just half polyester, half cotton. Simple as that. If you guys like this shirt, it will be available on trice.com, and that is t-shirt backwards. All right, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, make sure you leave your comments below and make sure that you like and subscribe.